Good morning, class. As we have studied about the three kinds of noun, that was proper noun, common noun, and abstract noun. So let us now go through the exercises based on it. First exercise which we are going to do is identify the proper noun and common noun in the following sentences. First one is the boys were flying kites on the beach. As I told you, boys, here boy can be anyone. Kites, there are many kites. Beach, there are many beaches. So here the boys, kites and beach. Three of here are boys, kites and beach. Here are common noun. As I told you, in the first one, there is no proper noun because proper noun is a particular name. But boy is a common, kites are common, beach is also a common noun. So, in the first sentence, three of them are common noun. So, let us now move to the second. Radha brought a bicycle for her brother. In this, Radha is a name of a particular girl. So, Radha will be proper noun है, proper noun. And bicycle can be any. So, it is a common name for her brother. Brother may be anyone. So, bicycle and brother, both here are common noun. Now, come to the third one. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is the name of a particular country. So, India will be proper noun and country. It may be any country in the world. So, country and word here. Country and word here are common nouns. I hope you all are getting this because it should be very clear to all of you that proper noun are the names of particular thing and common noun are the common names. So, having this thing in your mind will make you easy to do the exercise which we are doing here. I forgot my umbrella at home. So, umbrella is a thing. So, and home, both are common noun. So, umbrella and home are common nouns. So, let us now move further. Agra is at the banks of river Yamuna. Agra is the name of a particular city and river Yamuna. Yamuna is the name of a particular river. So, both Agra and Yamuna are common nouns है, proper nouns है, sorry. Agra and Yamuna are proper nouns. Sixth one. Titanic is the name of the ship that sank on its maiden journey. Titanic is the name of a particular ship which we are talking about. So Titanic will be proper noun, and ship, it can be any ship, name, any name, journey, any journey. So name, ship, journey. These are all the common nouns. Common nouns. So I hope you all have understood this. Now let us now move to the second exercise, that is choose the abstract noun. As I told you, abstract nouns are nouns that which we cannot see or touch with our five physical senses. First one is love. Love we cannot see or touch, so love will be the abstract noun. You have to put a tick in front of it. Book. Book is common or proper, so cut that. Girl is also the same. Intelligence. Intelligence is what we cannot see or touch, so it is the abstract noun here. Mouse. Mouse we can also see or touch. Loyalty. Loyalty is which we cannot see or touch. It's a reward to someone. So this is the abstract noun. Laptop. We can see or touch that. Peace. We cannot see or touch. So this one is the abstract noun. Table. It is not the abstract noun. Desk is also not the abstract noun. Teacher is also not the abstract noun. Anger. Anger is the abstract noun because it is the feeling of us. So this one is the abstract noun. 13th one is beauty. Beauty is also the abstract noun. Picture. Picture is not the abstract noun because we can see or touch that. Wall cannot be. Confidence. Confidence is the level. So this one is the abstract noun. We cannot see or touch that. Bottle. Bottle is also not the abstract noun. Trust is the abstract noun because it is the feeling which we share to each other. Sofa is not the abstract noun. Chair is also not the abstract noun. So I hope that abstract noun is clear to all of you. As abstract noun, I have told you, tells us the name of the thing which we cannot see or touch. So now you all have to revise the exercises. Thank you.